Okay, this is a 1972 Harley Davidson Ironhead Sportster. It's a kickstart and electric, but there's no button for the electric start. So that just started from cold, from the kickstart, and I started videoing it straight away. So it was smoking a bit, but it did start second kick. I've not rode it, as the clutch cable is all to shit. The gears select on it and brakes work. The lights work. Although it's a little project bike, there's not a lot to do to that to get it on the road. There you go.